Thank you for joining me today. I'd like to share with you a simple spiritual truth, and that is that we choose our path. It's important to understand that before birth, we choose our parents, we choose our circumstances, we choose the challenges that maybe we'll be experiencing, and then we forget so we can truly learn and be challenged. Every life is a sacred agreement between the soul, you, and the infinite. What feels accidental is intentional. What feels unfair often conceals profound design. We live in a physical existence, and we choose our companions, our trials, our gifts, and we choose to refine them through love and experiences. Forgetting the fact that we chose this life allows us to discover and experience this life unencumbered. Remembering restores wisdom. And as we move through our life, we evolve and become more. Life is purposeful. And we have chosen the life and the experiences that we are living every day. Tomorrow evolves from and flows from today. When we bless our path, we unlock its purpose, its divine design. Gratitude becomes the key that reveals the higher symmetry of every step along the path we take. Be confident in the journey and trust your processes and choices. The divine speaks to you. Your higher self guides you. Thank you for allowing me to share, and God bless.